The Anui 5236 NetTool Optimizer is ideally suited for small to medium-sized enterprises with primarily 10 gig fiber interfaces. This includes the access, distribution, and backbone layers, as well as the server farm and data center environments. The 5236 features up to 20 SFP Plus ports for 10 gig and 1 gig Ethernet, up to 4 RJ45 copper Ethernet ports, a 10, 100, 1000 megabits per second Ethernet management port, and 4 additional SFP or SFP Plus 1 gig or 10 gig Ethernet ports can be added using Anui 5200 expansion cards. The Anui 5236 NetTool Optimizer provides a data center solution that's easy to deploy while providing visibility and control of your network data. To learn more about the NetTool Optimizer and the other models that are available, visit our website at anuisystems.com.